Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNPD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downtrend here continues, and what do I mean by downtrend? Well, for those of you that did watch the video from Wednesday, put that line in there just out of curiosity, and it does indeed look like it's going to be a problem area for the price. Not just because something's a problem area doesn't mean that it's impossible to break above or anything like that. But in my mind, we now have confirmation that, yeah, that's definitely going to be an important level that needs to be watched. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line right there and just have the first update be an extension of this level down, because I'm very curious. It's looking like the bears are in full control, and the bears being in control being defined as long as the price is down below that trend line. Now, if the price can break above that trend line, okay, that makes the chart a little bit more neutral with a slight tilt to the bulls, because the bulls would have been able to break up above that level. But as of right now, for simplicity's sake, really, as long as the price remains down below that trend line, then it does seem as though that within this sideways channel, the bears have the upper hand. And in regards to the sideways channel, it's looking like a potential showdown is coming with the bottom of the channel down here, that green line, which is valued at $2.90. So that doesn't mean that just because it's close doesn't mean it's going to be tested. But is it at least the rational, is it at least a logical thought that it could very well be tested? Yeah, absolutely it is, especially when it's only 9 cents away. So keep an eye on that 290 mark. That's very important, because that is actually the bottom of the sideways channel, which I'll squeeze down here. So if the price would actually go down there and then break down below it, at that point, that's really, even from a technical point of view, starting to make things very different, because that would be an overall technical pattern breakdown, in the bearish direction. So again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but just saying that 290 mark is actually a pretty significant and key level of support moving forward. But still one day left this week, so it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.